In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import orders in WooCommerce. Whether you're transitioning to WooCommerce for the first time or simply managing a busy online store, knowing how to efficiently import orders can save you both time and effort. So, let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, we need to access your WordPress admin area. This is where the magic happens. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress login page by entering the URL for your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to input your username and password to log in. It's important to ensure your login credentials are secure and unique to prevent unauthorized access to your website. Once you've successfully logged in, look over to the left-hand menu panel and locate Plugins. Hover over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Add New. This will open up a vast world of plugins, the small, mighty tools that add functionality to your website. Today, we're going to find the right plugin that will help us import orders efficiently. In the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search box at the top right corner. Here, type in Order Import Export for WooCommerce. Searching for plugins can sometimes feel overwhelming because there are so many options, but this search feature really helps narrow it down. As the results populate, look for the plugin titled Order Import Export Plugin for WooCommerce, developed by WebToffee. WebToffee's plugins are popular for their reliability and ease of use, and this one is no exception. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on the Install Now button. Installing might take a few moments, so patience is key here. Once the installation process is complete, the button will now read Activate. Click it. This activation step is crucial because it's what actually enables the plugin on your website, allowing you to start importing orders. And there you have it. With the plugin installed and activated, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to start importing orders into your WooCommerce store. This plugin is designed to make the import process straightforward and hassle-free. By following these steps, you can ensure your WooCommerce store is up to date with the orders you need to process. Before we wrap up, here's a tip. Regularly check for updates to your plugins and keep them current. This helps maintain the security and efficiency of your WooCommerce store. If you encounter any hiccups during the process, the WordPress community and the plugin support are there to help. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy importing, and I'll see you in the next video.